Welcome to PT AQUAMARINE Divindo Inspection, National Company of Underwater Construction and Marine Services, headquartered with 6 integrated huge compound and widely open warehouse and fabrication located in Sidoarjo, East Java, Indonesia, which reflect our total commitment in investing our customers' trust. Established in 2007, we are located only 5 minutes away from Juanda International Airport of Surabaya at Sidoarjo. Within this decade, we managed to empower our up-to-date facilities which encompass all of key aspects, state-of-the-art of our equipment, sustainability development of our personnel competencies and dedication, restless innovation of our underwater technology, strict implementation of safety standards and procedures toward high-risk category. Those lead us to be the reliable company to deliver a total solution for any underwater, offshore oil and gas and marine within the region. With our ultimate target of zero accident and customer satisfaction. Let's have a look into our investments. We have lots of new DDC sets, double lock decompression chamber, with a fully compliance to IMCA standard D023 and maintained to its top condition and always to support all diving activities. Kirby Morgan 18 series bandmast and 37 helmet series. Water jet with adjustable capacity of up to 20,000 psi. Launch and recovery systems and water bags of total 135 tons capacity for load test purpose, hundreds of airbags, machinery containers, ultrasonic flow detector, eddy current, magnetic particle inspection are among our state-of-the-art equipments. Both class of inspection and semi-work class ROV, ECA Hydra H800 and ZI Panther HT, with a tremendous working depth up to 2,000 meters in the deep sea. August 2013, AQUAMARINE managed to deploy a squad team consist of professional divers and riggers to serve PT Pertamina Hulu Energy West Madura Offshore for an SPM replacement project in Polling Field, offshore North Madura. The multi-million dollars project was accomplished with a satisfactory result of zero accident and bring the company to one milestone ahead. June 2011, AQUAMARINE supported Kangen Energy for dismantling 12-inch floating hose and installation of gas production risers at Pagerungan UO Field Kangen, Northeast Madura. The project team also accomplished the task within targeted duration and with zero accident. January 2011, AQUAMARINE was awarded by Treda Maritime to execute a real challenging project which no Indonesian company has done before. We were to safely conduct the unmooring of FSO Maxis Widuri and in row with direct mooring installation and hookup of the replacement FSO Plantra Bangsa. It was satisfactorily done also with zero accident. May 2013, AQUAMARINE was again challenged to its limit to conduct the underwater survey for Jacob Rig Nagatu Lakes located miles away from shore at Telaga Biru offshore North Madura by doing the general visual inspection. March 2014, PT Pertamina Persero Divisi Pemasaran awarded AQUAMARINE to take care of their fleet vessel MT Galunggu as a pioneer among series of fleet which located at Widuri Field, Southeast Sumatra operated by CNOOC for the underwater survey in lieu of dry docking. AQUAMARINE provided the technical survey by divers as per class requirement as well as provide the ZOLAS certificate extension Again, there were no casualties at all during the project. March 2015, AQUAMARINE again proved to be the trusted company to handle PT Pertamina Persero fleet by doing the UWILD of FSO Aberka, which is safely moored in Polling Field, North Madura. This UWILD covers technical UWILD survey as well as SOLAS certificate extension as well. It was zero accident and no shutdown operation, which brought both PT Pertamina Persero and PT Pertamina Hulu Energy West Madura Offshore satisfaction. March 2014, AQUAMARINE performed crane load test of MV Meratus project with capacity of 80 ton safe working load. It is one of hundreds fleet owned by PT Meratus and trusted to be handled by AQUAMARINE as always. September 2013, AQUAMARINE achieved a new milestone by successfully supplying and installing of 8 lengths of 4.5 inches mooring chain with total length of 3,200 meters ordered by CNOOC Southeast Sumatra Limited for Widuri Field. September 2014. In continuation of the installed 4.5 inches mooring chain, AQUAMARINE again challenged to complete the mooring and hookup of FSO Federal 2 at Widuri Field, offshore Southeast Sumatra. The operation was completed successfully with zero accident as usual, and it helped CNOOC a lot in their next lifting operations of the crude oil. June 2014. Another hard yet challenging work is awarded by CNOOC Southeast Sumatra Limited to AQUAMARINE to handle their SPM for replacement project. The SPM 1043 was replaced by hexagonal SPM banner provided by CNOOC Southeast Sumatra Limited to support operation at Cinta Terminal in delivering the crude oil for the operating FSO and TST. The project was again completed by AQUAMARINE with zero accident as always. June 2013, AQUAMARINE was assigned by PT Rajawali Swiber Cakrawala to support PT Pertamina Hulu Energy West Madura Offshore Pipeline Inspection Project by using AQUAMARINE Inspection Class ROV, which capable for up to 800 meters working depth on the seabed. September 2013. As one of AQUAMARINE portfolio, we also serve our client with Bathymetric survey and navigational positioning using side scan sonar, magnetometer, sub-bottom profiler, multi-beam echo sounder, gyro compass, and others deployed to map out the seabed profile for the project area recognition prior to the project executed in the scanned area. Bathymetry rolls an important part in the offshore project, which also serves a significant predeterminant between project successfulness or catastrophe. June 2016. This is an important milestone of AQUAMARINE as PT Pertamina Hulu Energy West Madura Offshore awarded AQUAMARINE to execute the inspection, maintenance and repair campaign in Polling Field to inspect several platform and multi-roads of pipelines within the area, using both divers and inspection class ROV to conduct data acquisition and to process all related data into one single integrated database for future maintenance plan. The project was successfully completed with zero accident, completed ahead schedule, saved budget, and environmentally friendly. AQUAMARINE again proved to be the reliable, competent company who committed to the safety first and client satisfaction.
menyampaikan banyak terima kasih karena PHEWMO dan AQUAMARINE telah bekerja sama dalam satu campaign underwater, di mana selama 1,5 bulan melakukan campaign tersebut, PT AQUAMARINE telah berhasil melakukan pekerjaan dengan aman, tepat waktu, tepat biaya, dan juga dengan hasil yang sangat baik buat kami. Selama campaign underwater sekitar 1,5 bulan atau 33.740 domain hour, PT AQUAMARINE dengan project underwater IMR campaign itu dapat menyelesaikan pekerjaan dengan zero incident dan masuk ke dalam good contractor. Oleh karena itu, saya merekomendasikan PT AQUAMARINE untuk tetap bekerja dengan baik, konsisten, komit terhadap ISA, dan dapat mendeliver pekerjaan-pekerjaan yang berhubungan dengan underwater, baik itu inspection, maintenance, dan repair di perusahaan-perusahaan oil and gas di Indonesia ini.
www.aquamarine.id